Okay. Good afternoon to all. Today is our next practical, third practical. In the last practical, we have discussed about 3 experiments on a VLab. That is a binary to gray, gray to binary, and then we discussed about the comparator. Okay. Today we will discuss next 2 practicals. That is half adder, full adder, and half subtractor, full subtractor. Same practical, same simulation tab we are going to use. That we are going to use the VLab. Okay. I'll share the screen for the VLab. As everybody knows what is the that portal we are using. That is a VLab portal which has been created by that COEP Pune. That virtually all the practicals are available with the simulation. Okay. Just to see. Yes, screen is visible to everyone. Yes, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same tab we are going to use. That is a portal coepvlab.ac.in. V stands for the virtual lab. Means whatever the practicals are there, they are means we can say simulation type of practicals are available. That already we have discussed in the last practical. Same type we are going to discuss next 2 practicals. That is a half adder, full adder, half subtractor, and full subtractor. Let me know the equation. Who will tell the equation for the half adder, sum and carry? Yes. What is the equation for half adder, sum and carry? Yes. Half adder's equation सांगा. Half adder, sum and carry. Sum is equal to and carry is equal to. Yes. Yes, Sakshi. Okay, Megha. Yes, Megha.
A B bar sumचं.
हा, समचं काय?
A bar B plus A
B bar. A XOR with B. Okay, carry. What is equation for carry?
A B.
A, B. This is for a half adder. What about the full adder? What is equation for sum and carry? Half adder equation sum is equal to XOR with B. What is equation for carry? AB. Yes. Next. What about the full adder?
BC plus AC.
Yes. AB plus. Yes, Audumbar. Yes, Audumbar.
AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC plus AC. Very correct.
Carry's equation of AB plus BC plus.
Yes. What about the equation for sum? Equation for sum.
A XOR B XOR C.
Very correct. A XOR with B XOR with C.
A XOR with B XOR with C.
Yes, very correct. A XOR with B XOR with C. Okay. First, we will discuss about half adder and full adder. Half adder summation is there and the carry is there. Like which gate we have used already, we have drawn this combinational circuit diagram in your notebook at the time of discussion of the combinational circuit. Notebook मध्ये draw केलेले आहेत सगळ्या diagram आपण. Okay, here it is. Same thing we are going to use. Just see here. Hybrid electronics lab. So we are going to use, as I told you, electronics and communication. Hybrid electronics lab. In that, we are going to discuss some arithmetic logical units for the combinational circuits. Okay, let's just go to. Okay, sorry. Another after full adder is in various arithmetic circuits. See, half adder, we know the equation for that. What is the equation? Equation for the half adder is sum is equal to A XOR with B and carry AB. This is the equation. Now here it is, this is the black box. In that, this combinational circuit, whatever we have drawn in the notebook, like we have studied in the theory, same is here. Two inputs we are going to use, half adder A and B. Output, two outputs are there, one is sum, another one is carry. Already we are having the truth table for that. A, B, two inputs are there, carry and sum is there. Okay. If you will consider the two inputs, four combinations are there, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1. So we know the addition for that. 0, 0 चे addition केले की काय येते? 0, 0, carry 0. 0, 1 चे addition केले तर काय येणार आहे? sum 1, carry 0. 1, 0 चे addition केले तर काय येणार आहे? sum 1, carry 0. And AB चे addition 1 plus 1, summation 0, carry 1. The same, this is the, as two inputs are there, here it is the example for half adder. Okay, first we'll consider the 0, 0 input. Just run this. This is visible. Diagram is visible to everyone. Yes, Megha.
No.
Diagram दिसतीये का?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Just a minute. Now it is visible.
It's visible. Yes, ma'am.
Audumbar, it is visible. Yes, okay. ठीक आहे. 0, 0 इनपुट दिले तर आउटपुटला काय येणार मला? कॅरी पण 0 आणि सम पण 0 येणार. सी फर्स्ट रो इज देयर. Then second, what I will do? 0, 1. A 0, B 1. A 0, B ला काय करणार मी 1 देणार. Okay, what kind of output I'll get? Carry 0, sum ला काय येणार तर 1 येणार. I will run this. See, what is output? Sum ला मला 1 येते, carry ला मला 0. This LED glows means what? Summation output 7 येणार आहे, carry काय येते तर 0 येणार. But another combination I will consider, third row 1, 0. हा करायचा 1, हा करायचा 0. Run this combinational circuit. See, sum is 1, carry is 0. And final row, both are 1, 1. दोन्ही 1, 1 करायचे. What is output? Carry 1, summation 0. We know that 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. We will run this. See, sum is 0. LED glow नाही झालेला इथला, so it is a 0. Carry output is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. This is very simple. Half adder is there. Half adder means we know that we are going to consider the two inputs only and output, summation and the carry is there. Okay. Now after half adder, we'll go to the full adder. What is the change in that full adder? We are going to consider two inputs only. Instead of considering here we are going to consider the two input, and the third input is whichever considered from the carry. Okay, carry we are going to consider from the carry. So for the full adder, we are going to consider the three inputs. Okay, three inputs are the A, B, C. C, whichever addition is there, कशाची पण addition केली तर output कशामध्ये मिळतं आपल्याला? We are getting the output in terms of sum and carry. See this next, full adder. Full adder, here it is. See the diagram. Full adder, two inputs are there. Input A, input B, and input C is there. C we are generally considering the carry from the earlier combinational circuit. Okay. Then I will consider any combination you can consider, and you can find out the output for this full adder. Here it is, first we'll consider the AB0 and carry 1. What kind of output I should get? Carry 0, sum should be 1. See here. 0, 0, C1 get. Output can I? We have to run this and we have to verify. See. The second row I have considered here it is. AB00, AB00 घेतला मी इथे. And C काय घेतला तुम्ही 1 घेतला. Okay, so here it is, carry is a 0 and sum is a 1. So after execution I am getting sum. LED glow झाला याचा अर्थ काय आहे? LED glow झाला याचा अर्थ here it is, output is sum is 1, carry is 0. In the same way, we can go for any another combination of it. आपण combination घेऊया 1, 0, 1. AB10 घेऊया. A1, B0 and C is also 1. what kind of output I should get? Carry 1 यायला पाहिजे. 1 + 1 0 with carry 1 च येतो आपल्याकडे आणि sum 0 यायला पाहिजे. And this C sum काय आलं इथे? Sum is a 0, carry is 1. मी काय घेतलं? हे कॉम्बिनेशन घेतलं 1 0 1. C1 आहे, B0 आहे, A1 आहे. So carry is 1, sum is 0. So sum is 0, carry is 1. So output we are getting in this. Then we will take a last row 1 1 1. We will verify carry 1 आणि sum 1 पण येते का आपल्याला ते. ठीक आहे. C A1 घेतला, B पण 1 घेतला आणि C पण 1. We'll verify, we'll run this. Sum काय आलं? Sum is 1, carry is also 1. See here. Sum is 1, carry is also 1. In this way, we have discussed about the full ladder. In this way, we can go for. In this way, we can go for subtracting. See same diagram. We will take the equations for subtractor. Half subtractor's equation काय आहे?
Okay, clear. Now below side you can now the output of factor P number 1P to the 8P. You can take dot, you can draw some
Yes, what is the equation for half subtractor? Anyone? Yes. Half subtractor equation we will take.
D is equal to A XOR with B and B is equal to A bar B.
A bar B, okay. That is the difference. And borrow B is equal to yes, Aishwarya.
A XOR with B.
A XOR with B. Verify it once again. We have prepared this combinational circuit diagram in your notebook, everyone. In the second chapter, we have discussed about the combinational circuit. In that, we have discussed about the half adder, half subtractor, full adder, and full subtractor. Once again, verify and tell me. Yes, Srishti? Srishti, am I audible? Srishti, am I audible? Srishti Chadgare, roll number 7.
Difference A XOR B and borrows A bar B.
Yes, correct. Adumbar, it is very correct. Roll number 6 and roll number 7. Aishwarya Devukule and Srishti. Jagdale, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the answer. Okay, equation A XOR with B and what is A bar B? This is the equation for half subtractor. Same it is implemented. Same this is implemented in this black box. Same diagram is there. Okay, two inputs are there for the half adder. So we are getting the borrow and the output. Like in adder, we are getting sum and carry. Here we are getting borrow and output. Okay, two table is same. Two inputs are there. Borrow is there, output is there. As half adder, half subtractor is there, two inputs are there. So four combinations are there: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. So borrow 0, 0 minus 0 is a 0 0. 0 minus 1, 1 1 is there. Is it there is a difference like in a half adder 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. But for the half subtractor 0 minus 1 1 with borrow 1 is there. Then 1 minus 0 0 zeta output here it is 1 is there. 1 minus 1 0 and 0. Okay. Then we will give both 1 1 1 minus 1 का येणार दोन्ही 0 च येणार runs. Next 1 0 A0 आहे 1 आहे run both 0 minus 1 1 विथ बोरो 1 असतं, लाईक ऍडर सारखा नसतं ह्याच्यामध्ये. ऍडर मध्ये 1 + 1 0 विथ कॅरी 1 असतं. ठीक आहे, लाईक दॅट वन. देन नेक्स्ट हा 1 आहे, हा 0 आहे. Here it is. Borrow 0, आउटपुटला काय येणार 1 येणार. ठीक आहे. Then the last combination, both are 1. No, 1 - 1 काय येणार आहे? एक म्हणून एक गेलं की काय येतं 0च येतं. बोरो पण नाही येणार आहे, आउटपुट पण नाही येणार आहे. ओके, दिस अबाउट द हाफ सबट्रॅक्टर. इन दिस वे फुल सबट्रॅक्टर. फुल सबट्रॅक्टर इक्वेशन XOR with B XOR with C. काय इक्वेशन काय आहे का बरोबर? फुल ऍडर but the equation for the full adder is same like or XNOR is there. What is the equation? Anyone?
B is equal to A XOR B XOR C, and borrow is A bar B plus A bar C plus BC.
BC, very correct. For us full subtractor output is means the difference is A XOR with B XOR with C. Very correct. And borrow is A bar C plus A bar B plus BC. Means here it is in this difference only XOR gate is used, and for a borrow AND gate or gate and not gates are used inside of the black box. याच्यामध्ये दोन इनपुट आहेत ह्याला. हा थर्ड म्हणजे कॅरीचा जनरेट झाले, बोरोचा जो जनरेट झालेला असतो हाफ मध्ये, हा बोरोचा जो आहे तो आहे. So here it is in the full subtractor also like a full adder. 3 inputs are there. Input A is there, input B is there, and the input C is there. That input C is nothing but from the half subtractor चा आहे तो. ठीक आहे. Then two table is given over here that already we have written in that notebook. Okay, basically input borrow आणि output आपण ऑलरेडी काय केलेलं आहे तर म्हणजे बोरो आणि डिफरन्स ऑलरेडी आपण प्रिपेअर केलं. That only we are going to verify. All 0, first row, all will be 0. All will be 0. Run, output will be 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 1. Okay, A 0, B 0, and C फक्त 1. And C. Okay, A minus B. Okay, 0 minus 0 काय आहे? 0 आहे. पुन्हा 0 minus 1 काय येतं? 0 minus 1, 1 with output 1 येतं. So here it is both LEDs will glow for this combination. See, बोरोचं पण LED ग्लो झालाय आणि आउटपुटचं पण LED काय झालं तर ग्लो झालेलं आहे. Okay, so here it is A is 0, B is 0, and C is 1. So borrow is 0. I'm sorry, borrow is 1. Output is also 1. We can take any combination for this. See, we will take this combination. A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. Okay, A 0 है फक्त. A is 0. This row. A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. Borrow 0, output 1. Okay, we run this. See, borrow is 0, output is 1 for this. And then check this combination. We can go for last combination. All 1 will be there. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. Okay. A is 1, B is 1, C is also 1. Okay, we done this. See, last row we have checked. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. Borrow पण 1 येतो आणि output पण 1 येतो. So here it is 1 and 1 is there. We can verify. Okay, A minus B, 1 minus 1 काय येणार? 0. Borrow 1. ठीक आहे. Then that 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 काय येणार? Borrow 1 आणि outputला 1 येणार ना? So here it is 1 and 1 is there. So if I will give A, B, C as 1, 1, 1, I'm getting the borrow 1. Okay. So here it is. Input A is 1, B is 1, and the C is 1. It will run this. I'm getting the output 1. In this way, you can take any combination for this. Full adder मध्ये तुम्ही कुठलेही combination use शकता आणि truth table verify. Okay. To clear this, you can check any combination. 101 चं combination घेऊयात आपण. A1 आहे, B0 and C1 आहे. 101. Both will be logically off. म्हणजे 1 minus 1, 0 येतो. Run. are getting the 0, 0. Okay. Then here it is one another adder subtractor is available, that is a 4-bit adder or subtractor. Here it is. Actually 4-bit adder subtractor, parallel adder is available for you. Okay, but it is not a part of the combinational circuit, it is not part of your syllabus. Still I will show this to all of you. So मला फक्त काय आहे तर adder, in the adder full adder, half adder is there, and in the subtractor full half subtractor and full subtractor is there. Still here it is simulation is available for the 4-bit adder. I will show that also. See adder with the subtractor. Here it is. इथे दोन्ही आहे. A double D bar इथे बघा याच्यामध्ये. Okay, here it is. This is last add or the subtractor. Whether you want to do the addition, 4-bit चे addition करायचे तुम्हाला का 4-bit चे subtraction करायचे. That you can decide. Logically low झाला म्हणजे काय झालं? 1 चा complement. Logically low म्हणजे 0 चा complement means. I'm using this for addition purpose. कशासाठी वापरते हे तर addition साठी वापरते. Now, then this type of diagram is available. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm going to do the addition. Carry, I'm not going to consider any. Run this. Here it is. 1 plus 1 काय येतं पहिले? 0 with carry 1. पुन्हा 1 plus 1 आणि carry 1. 1 with carry 1. ते carry झालं. Simple addition you can do. 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. काय येणार आहे? तर काय येणार आहे? पण पहिला 1 plus 1 असेल तर 0 with carry 1 येणार आहे. दूसरा 1 plus 1 carry already means 1 with carry 1 येणार आहे. So I'm getting the output like carry एक मिळतो मला आणि आउटपुट मध्ये काय मिळतं मला 1, 1, 1, 0. We can go for another combination. इथं फक्त addition करते मी. Means here it is. I'm going to do the addition of 0, 0, 0, 1. Add with 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then I'll run this. See what getting output. काय येतं? 1 plus 1 काय आहे? 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. Okay, so here it is 1 is there. Okay, remaining all will be 0. This way you can go for a subtraction also. Subtraction करायचं आहे मला. All 1 I will get. सगळे 1 I will get. मी सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करणार ऑल म्हणजे आउटपुटला काय यायला पाहिजे? सगळे 0 यायला पाहिजे. ऑल विल बी 0 and I'm getting 1 borrow. सगळ्यांचे काय फक्त हेच येतं आणि हिअर इट इज ओनली borrow and getting हे घेऊया 1 इथं मिळतं आपल्याला एक आउटपुट मध्ये मिळतं बिकॉज आय एम कन्सिडरिंग ऑल रिमेनिंग विल बी 0. This you can take any combination you can run this. You get output for this adder or as well as for a subtractor. This is all about. We have discussed about what 3 different types of the circuits. First one is adder. Half adder we have discussed. Then we have discussed a full adder. 2-bit adder is also available. म्हणजे बघा काय 2 bit घ्यायची त्याची पण ॲडिशन अवेलेबल आहे ॲक्च्युअली. ओके 2-bit म्हणल्यावर एक कॅरी कन्सिडर करायचं का नाही कन्सिडर करायचं 2 bit मध्ये. दॅट टाइप ऑफ ऑल्सो यू कॅन कन्सिडर and you can verify it is 1, 1. ऑल 1 असलं तर काय येणार? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 काय येणार? सम 0 येणार, 1, 1 येणार आणि कॅरी पण 1 येणार आहे. If I will not consider this, इथे येणार 0. 1 plus 1 काय? 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1 येतं आपल्याला. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 with carry 1 येणार येतं. So glues, it glues, LED glues. It's a simple type of all the different types of the circuits are available here. With the help of that, this mirror become just all the different types of the simulations. Okay. And then I'll show some another circuits. I think I discussed about 4 converter. Then half adder. Okay. So in this, all the different types of the shift register and that also available. See here it is various type of counters and the shift registers. Like now we are discussing about shift register discuss केले ना, serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out. That type of circuits are also circuitries are also available, as well as ring counter, Johnson's counter. That type of circuitries are also available over here. We'll discuss that counter in the next lecture, next practical. Then here it is. Multiplexer, demultiplexer, and encoder, decoders are also available. Out of that, we will discuss one. Okay, diagram is visible. Encoder, decoder. See, encoder. 8 to 3 line encoder ची diagram आपण discuss केलेली आहे. Then this is 3 to 8 line decoder is there. Yes. आपण असली diagram discuss केलेली draw केलेली आहे notebook मध्ये. Then we discussed about a multiplexer. 8 to 1 line. Select line दिल्यानंतर इथलाच data इथं कसा येतो. That type of multiplexer is also available here. Then demultiplexer. One data I am going to give as input. How it is available on output line. आपण जे डिस्कस केलं थिअरी मध्ये that here it is implemented. Like here it is mux 8 input आहेत. You can select any input line. इथं output produce होतं आपल्याला. Demultiplexer, one input I am going to give. I am going to select the particular line for that की कुठल्या लाईनवर तो डेटा अवेलेबल असला पाहिजे. That is nothing but a demultiplexer. Like we discussed in theory. Theory मध्ये आपण जे multiplexer, demultiplexer चे example बघितलेले आहेत. That we are going to discuss here. But here it is only we are going to discuss the multiplexer for हा कोणता mux आहे तर तुमचा 8:1 line. 8:1 line. And the mux is 1:8 आहे. Okay. 0 to 7 lines are there. One input is there. 0 to 7 line is total 8 lines are there. Encoder 8 inputs are there. 3 outputs are there. That is 8:3 encoder. And decoder 3:8 line decoder is there. Okay, in this all the different types of the circuitries are available. Out of that, today we will discuss another circuit that is an encoder. Okay, in the notebook we have discussed about this encoder and the decoder concept. In that we have drawn the diagram also. आपण 8:3 चा 3:8 चा encoder decoder चा diagram notebook मध्ये draw केलेला आहे. ठीक आहे. We discuss here. We will see that combination. The D7 line detect केलेली. For example, D7 on केली. What kind of output I will get? Anyone? Encoder मध्ये? Encoder. D7 line मी on केली. What kind of output I will get? Anyone? Encoder, decoder. Remember? Mux demux नंतर आपण encoder, decoder discuss केला होता. Yes. Which LED will blow out of this? Anyone? Smita. Yes, Smita. Which LED will glow? Yes. Which LED will glow? Yes. Smita. Yes, Smita. Which LED will glow? Huh? Am I audible? हाँ सांगा ना कुठला LED glow होईल? Yes, which LED will glow? Anyone? बरं आहे ना D7 मध्ये काय? हां Q? 7 चा बायनरी काय असतो? What is the binary of 7? What is the binary of 7?
1
7 चा बायनरी सांगा की काय? 1 1 1 असतो. We'll see. Here it is. See all encoder आहे ना एन्कोड करतो. ओके 7 D7 हा 1 केला. ठीक आहे म्हणजे काय एन्कोड करणार ना डेटा त्याचा 7 चा बायनरी काय आहे? 1 एन्कोडिंग द डेटा एन्कोड करते. देन 1 घेतलं तर काय होईल? व्हॉट इज द बायनरी ऑफ 1? दॅट इज 0 0 1. So it will be see encoder. Encode the data. त्याला encode केला 1 म्हणजे काय? Primary काय असतं? 0 0 1 असतं. So it gives output as a 1. You can take any input, for example 5. See 5 घेतला. It will be 1 0 1. Then priority encoder we have discussed. 2 I will select at a time. 5 एकदा घेतला 2 at a time 2 घेतले तर priority encoder we have discussed. Run. It will give a very different output. Okay, 2 सिलेक्ट केलं तर काय होतं? 5 आणि 2 चे addition म्हणून आपल्याला इथे 7 मिळतं. Is not encoded. Here it is. Consider 6 0 1 1. 4 plus 2, that is 6. I will take a 3 1 3 1 0 is there. That is a binary of 3. That will include 1. That is 0 0 1 is there. Okay, this is the what encoded is there. This whichever particular input I will select, it will encode that particular digit. If I will select 7, 7 चा binary देणार आहे. 6 if I will select, it will convert it to that particular byte. Okay. The next you can select any output out of it. Any that input out of it 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on that, it will encode that particular data. For example, 7 we already discussed. 1 1 1 is there. Okay. And this decoder is there. Decoder all will want. Which LED will blow out of this? 7 will blow. 7. If I consider this on 1 first LED will blow. Decoding and encoding is there. And here it is 3. 2 plus 1 3 is there. So it blows the third number LED. Third number LED. 1 clear this 1 0 0 run 1 0 0. It will select a fourth number line 1 0 0. त्याचा काय असतो डेसिमल 1 0 0 चा 4 असतो. So it will close the Q4. This is the encoder and the decoder. In this way, we discussed about today half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, encoder and the decoder. Okay, you note down this that link portal.coep.vlab.ac.in/vlab, and you can sign in that and you will get different types of the data simulations. You can check any type of simulation here. Okay.
Try to select the RIC in the multiple of the.
I will share some write-ups with you for this all experiments. Okay. I will share some write-ups with you, and that you are supposed to write down. Okay. For example, we discussed about a code converter, binary to gray to binary. त्याचं काय लिहायचं तुम्हाला, कंपॅरेटरचं काय लिहायचं, हाफ एडर फुल एडरचं काय लिहायचं, हाफ सबट्रॅक्टर फुल सबट्रॅक्टर एन्कोडर डिकोडर. What you are supposed to write down. That inputs I will give, you are supposed to complete that. Now we are remaining with only 3 experiments. That is the multiplexer, demultiplexer, ring and the Johnson counter, and the shift register. We will discuss the 2 different operations for the shift register: serial in, serial out, and serial in parallel. Okay. Then for today's practical, we will stop here. I will mark the attendance, then we can leave. Just a minute.
You cannot go with the 25 mega. Because R equal to 1 mega extent. Let's say you take a time mega. That will be the 25 second. R equal to 1 mega. 1 megawatt, 625. Let's see, let's check it out. 25 by 1 mega.
Okay, you can leave now, everyone. Thank you.
Taking the 25 second and delay.